YouTube channel Chinma's Techniques. Today I'm going to share a useful information. This is a headphone which I like to use for my online classes. It's lightweight and comfortable and a little bit of noise canceller. Recently my old headphones got spoiled. Its sponges got spoiled as you can see. Then we bought a new one. But there is a better alternative than buying a new one. We can buy the ear sponge online for a fraction of the price of the headphones. It is about 5 cm. When we compare the size of the ear pads of the headphones and the ear sponges, we feel like the ear sponges are smaller than the ear pads. But it's not like that. So let's see how to fix the sponges to the ear pad. So let's get into the video. So friends, first you need to remove the remaining part of the old sponge. So let's do it. After that, place the new sponge into the slot. As you can see, there's a slot here. Put the edge of the sponge into the slot. Now stretch and completely fill the sponge into its slot. Do it on either sides of the headphones. So let's do it in the other side. Friends, so as you can see, the old headphones are as good as the new headphones. So with this trick of sponges, you can save some of your money. As you can see, this is a Sennheiser PC8 headphone, and I'll give the link to buy sponge in description. So hope you all loved the video, and if you loved the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So thanks for watching.